Let's still stay in Kumasi. Children in that part of the country have been participating in coronavirus-themed art clinics. It is aimed at encouraging them to adhere to COVID-19 health protocols and encouraging their friends to do the same. Live FM's Kwesi Deborah has been monitoring the event and now reports.
Research has shown children express their feelings through art. Art therapist and co-lead Dr. Mavis Osei of the Department of Educational Innovations in Science and Technology, KNUST, observes the unexpected nature of the pandemic brought traumatic experience to most children.
The initial assumption was that when children are allowed to express themselves, they will show what it is that is inside. And we realized that the pandemic was unexpected, so it was traumatic for a lot of children. And unfortunately, we don't know how to express that kind of emotional trauma that we have. And a lot of research, I'm into child art, child psychology, art therapy. So a lot of research has shown that when children are traumatized or they have what we call adverse childhood experiences, it shows through the way they act. So they act out, they have physical symptoms, they have psychosomatic symptoms, they have headaches, they have irritation, they have sleep disturbance and all that. And so one way we are trying to take away that emotional kind of trauma is allowing them to express themselves through art.
Children in the Ashanti regional capital of Kumasi have been participating in COVID-19 themed art clinics. It is aimed at encouraging children to adhere to COVID-19 health protocols and encourage their peers to do the same. The art clinics involving over 180 children, mainly between the ages of 5 to 15, took place in the Kumasi Children's Home, King Jesus Charity Orphanage, Safe Child Advocacy Roman Hill, St. Louis Vocational Center and CCAST KNUST. The project is dubbed Combating COVID-19 in Ghana using socio-pedagogical method, educational campaign through children's art. Dr. Esmeralda Manfo of the Department of Sociology and Social Work is lead country coordinator.
We've realized that the COVID, the campaign in how to address the health issues, it has always been an adult discourse. So the adults that have been talking, children have not been consulted. And being in Ashanti region, there's this adage that goes that that if two people carry the load, it becomes lighter. So the concept here mainly is that the adults are carrying the load, it's not working. Why don't them let children also help in the carrying of the load?
He's washing his hands. Anna Rose, what do you see? He's washing his hands.
The first art activity involved a depiction of coronavirus using clay, crayons and poster colors. How coronavirus spreads and preventive measures were depicted in the second and third activities respectively. In the last activity, the participants were shown how to craft a nose mask. One of the researchers, Nelson Jesibwadu of the Department of Sociology and Social Work, was happy with the enthusiasm shown by the participants.
It's been a very nice experience, especially working with children. You get children from different backgrounds. They show so much interest in drawing, but at the same time, they are learning something out of that.
Some of the participants shared the experience.
Today I've learned how to draw and how to paint. I've drawn a human being, I've drawn a house, I've drawn how coronavirus looks.
Actually, what I've learned is how to socialize with others and ask for expressing how I feel through art.
What we've realized is that the kids, they know what COVID is, they know how it's being transmitted, they also know how to prevent it. But what is also telling us that the children are mimicking adults. So what adults are doing, that's what they are doing, because that's the pictures they are drawing for us. And so in other words, it also means when the adults are not wearing the face masks, they will also not wear face masks. We believe strongly that they will be able to be the advocates that we're looking for. We made the school reopens. they'll teach their friends what they have done for the friends also to do that.
Reporting for JoyNews, Kwesi Debra.